In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Squarespace website and why you should. Creating a backup gives you a safety net. If a design change goes sideways, a plugin conflicts, or you just want a clean staging space to test ideas, having a duplicate site ready can save hours. We'll walk through making a full site copy inside your Squarespace account and quickly verifying that key content is intact. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and opening your account dashboard. On your site's card, look for the three dots menu. Click that to open the options, then choose Duplicate Website. This tells Squarespace to create a separate copy of your current site. You'll see a notice explaining that duplicating can take a few minutes and that you can leave the page during the process. That's normal. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Duplicate. Squarespace will spin up an independent version with the same structure, content, and design, so you have something you can safely experiment with. Once the duplicate is ready, open it by selecting Website on the New Site card. Inside, click Edit Site to enter the editor. Then click Edit to activate editing mode on a page. This is just to confirm that everything carried over as expected. Click into the highlighted area of a section or block to make sure the design elements are present and editable. Next, navigate to your Events area to verify that collection content duplicated correctly. Open the Events panel, click into a highlighted event, and check that titles, dates, descriptions, and images appear as they should. When you're done reviewing, click Save to commit any changes you made during this quick check. Then click Exit to leave the editor and head back to Home so you're looking at the main dashboard for the duplicate. Finally, use Publish Your Site when you intentionally want this backup to go live. Publishing makes the duplicate visible on the web, so only do this when you're ready to switch or test publicly. If your goal is simply to keep a safety copy, you can leave the duplicate unpublished and return to it whenever you need to restore content or test updates. A few closing tips to keep your backup useful. Give yourself time for the duplicate to finish before making big changes. And remember that some connected services